All right, let's talk about AI. If you're not a coder or a data scientist, this whole world can feel, well, a little intimidating, right? But here's the thing. What if the key to thriving isn't about learning to code, but learning to collaborate? That's the journey we're starting today. We're going to demystify AI for the rest of us. So why is this journey so important, like right now? This quote from Rutgers Business School just hits the nail on the head. It's not that AI is going to take your job. No. The real story is that a person who knows how to use AI productively probably will. This isn't some science fiction movie. It's a massive shift in the skills that actually matter. Now, I'm guessing you've played around with tools like ChatGPT. You've asked it to write a silly email or a poem. It's fun. But then what? You kind of hit a wall. You know this stuff is powerful, but how do you move from just dabbling to actually using it in a meaningful way? That feeling of being stuck? It's totally normal, and getting past it is our first step. To really get our bearings, we have to realize this isn't about the future. The sources are all clear on this. We are living through an AI gold rush at this very moment. It's not some distant storm on the horizon. It's a huge shift happening right under our feet. And the scale of this gold rush is just staggering. McKinsey estimates that generative AI could add up to $4.4 trillion to the global economy every single year. I mean, that's a number with a T. When you see a figure that big, you know this isn't just another tech trend. It's a fundamental economic transformation. So every gold rush needs a map, right? For us, that map is language. By breaking down a few key terms, without getting lost in all the technical weeds, I promise, we can start to navigate this new territory with a lot more confidence. First up, the big one, artificial intelligence, or AI. The best way to think of this is just as a giant umbrella term. Basically, anytime a computer does a task that would normally need a human's brain power, well, that's AI. It's pretty much that simple. Now, under that big AI umbrella, a huge piece of the puzzle is machine learning. And this is where it gets really interesting. Instead of being programmed for every single little step, these systems learn directly from data. The more data they see, the better they get at a task. That's the key. They're not just following orders, they're actually improving on their own. This brings us to a really crucial distinction for where AI is today versus where it's headed. What most of us are using now is generative AI. You give it a prompt, it generates something new. But the next wave is agentic AI. These systems won't just respond, they'll act. They'll be proactive partners that can manage tasks and make decisions for you. A big leap forward. So, we have our map of the territory. But what's our compass? What are the skills that will actually guide us through all this? You might be surprised to learn they have very, very little to do with coding. According to the research, the most sought-after skills are what experts are now calling durable skills. And forget the term soft skills. These are the human abilities like communication, collaboration, and critical thinking that last no matter how much the technology changes. They are the bedrock of what makes us valuable. This critical AI literacy framework, this is basically our compass. Look at what's at the center of it all. It's not technical skill. It's a collection of human abilities. The big insight here is that true AI literacy isn't just about using the tools. It's about engaging with them critically, creatively, and strategically. So what is this compass pointing to? Well, it's pointing to creativity for new solutions. It's pointing to having the ethical smarts to evaluate AI responsibly. It's about a deep understanding of AI's role in our society and a sharp eye on how it's going to impact our careers. These are the things that make us indispensable collaborators with AI, not competitors. Okay, enough talk, enough theory. We have our map, we have our compass. Now it's time to take our first steps on the trail and build some real AI fluency with a simple, hands-on project. So what does this first project look like? It's a simple 4-step creative process. First, just grab something you already know well. Then use AI as a creative partner to find a fresh angle you might have missed. Next, use AI's power to structure that idea into a proven template. And finally, and this is the most crucial step, you take over. You refine, you edit, and you inject your unique voice and insight, transforming the output into something that is authentically yours. And that final step is perfectly captured by this quote. The goal of using AI isn't to outsource your thinking, it's to free up your mind to focus on the deeply human work, understanding people, solving their problems, and building real connections. AI is the tool, you are the strategist. So, after taking these first steps, where does this journey lead? What's the destination? Look, the goal isn't just to survive in the age of AI, it's about thriving, finding new opportunities, and using these tools to build an even more fulfilling career. Let's be perfectly clear about one of the biggest myths out there, okay? The sources we looked at are all on the same page about this. You do not need a computer science degree to get a job in the AI industry. This simple fact opens up a whole world of possibilities. In fact, there's a whole ecosystem of entry-level remote jobs that are the human engine behind the AI industry. Roles like AI trainers, who help refine the models, or data annotators, who label information so AI systems can learn in the first place. These jobs are accessible right now, and many don't require previous experience. Ultimately, this is the destination of our journey. The future doesn't belong to the AI, and it sure doesn't belong to the person who resists it. It belongs to those who can create a partnership, combining their unique human expertise with the fluency in using AI as a powerful tool to make that expertise even better. And that brings us to the end of our explainer, but really, it's the beginning of your journey. As AI gets better and better at performing tasks, the real question for all of us becomes this: what uniquely human capabilities will you choose to master? That's the challenge, and that is the incredible opportunity that lies ahead for all of us.